Hey YouTube, this is Okie Rob. I just getting started again this morning on this beehive stand, but watching another fellow YouTuber that was talking about scarves, and if you that was for women, but didn't have time to brush your hair, you could always wear a scarf. Well, I don't wear scarves, but I did find a hat. If I didn't brush my hair in the morning, I found a hat. I could cover it up, and they'd never know if I brushed my hair or not. So there you go. It's just a little Lincoln MIG welder. It's flux core only. I don't have the gas for it. Just getting it tacked together. Of course, my floor is not level. I got a cat that likes to pester me. Alright, what I've got to do now is I'm going to cut out some material to make some legs for these. I'll probably put about three legs on here. I was explaining in the I think I was explaining in this already, but I'm going to make it where I can adjust it so I can level it. I've got some square tubing, and I'll probably weld a nut to the outside of it so I can kind of like a set screw type deal, where I can loosen it and slide it up and down, whatever it needs to make it level. I don't know how well you can see this, but had a little interruption there. But what I've got is I've got some 3-inch square tubing, and I've got some 2.5-inch square tubing. what I'm going to do is I'm going to make some adjustable legs for this, and I'll drill a hole in this and weld a nut on the outside. That way I can use that bolt as a set screw. So I can level this. I can adjust this one side up and down, or both sides, whatever it takes to get that thing level. Then I can just tighten that bolt up, and it'll be at that height. Anyway, I'm going to use this C-channel for the bottom of the legs, give it some stability, just in case I get a cow out, which this will, of course this is upside down right here, but it'll be like this. That's the way it'll be for my feet and leg. That's the way it'll be, and the top of this will be attached to this down here, if you can see that. But I'll notch this out a little bit and recess it and weld that to there.